So Sun Tzu, all warfare is based on deception. And if you even look at Britain here, the reason that D-Day had some success is because they went into Normandy when everyone expected them to go into Calais because it was the shortest distance. And actually, Patton's army was over there by Calais with these inflatable tanks and pretending like they were massing. And of course, the Germans thought, of course, Patton would lead the charge. And he was a decoy, which is why they were able to hit Normandy. So this is standard operating procedure, happens in business, in warfare, in any situation. Okay, so was there an intelligence failure? Now that you've had time to look or maybe think more about what happened a month ago, what do you conclude?
I still stand by this was a successful sneak attack and not an intelligence failure. And there's a few reasons why. Like, in order for there to be an intelligence failure, there has to be demonstrable proof that the information was known.
Right.
If there was no information that was available to be known, meaning that if Hamas created a secret and kept the secret successfully, then that means that they had all the right compartmentalization, so the intelligence was never something that could be collected, right? It's not an intelligence failure when a secret is successfully kept. That just means that the aggressor did the right thing. They kept control of their secrets. It's only an intelligence failure if the secret is discoverable and then not communicated to the right channels.